You need a water bottle and you want to empty it to about this much, and then you take your salt and then you just pour a lot. Oh, whoa, Alex, you're missing the water bottle.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. You are missing the water bottle.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right, so that's pretty much all the salt we're gonna add to it. So now we're just gonna shake it up and see if it actually works. Here we go. Okay, 1, 2. Oh my gosh. 3. What the heck? Second. Wait, okay. Try it. Okay. Oh! It lands. Okay, wait. I'm about to get 4 in a row right here. 4. Oh my gosh. 5. What is going on? 6. It worked. Wait, I got 6 in a row. I can only get about 2 in a row before that. Like, here we go. Oh my. Okay. See how fun this is and addicting? This is too much fun. This is too much fun. All right, moment of truth right here, guys. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, cool. So here we go with Black Spin on Snapchat, and let's try the spiral trick on Snapchat. Oh, you gotta do it lightly. You have to do it lightly. Here we go. Here we go. Try this out. That's so cool. And the fact I was applying a lot of pressure, right? But if I was doing it a lot lighter, I feel like it would come out a lot cooler. So. Whoa! That's cool. Alright, so this hack is for everyone out there who doesn't have a treadmill but still wants to work out and get some cardio in. All you're gonna need for this hack is just some water and some liquid soap. Basically, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna turn our floor into a treadmill. Yes, and this only works on, it can't be on carpet obviously because it wouldn't work. Any like hardwood, wood floor, any type of like hard surface floor. And we have the perfect spot right here, and we're gonna show you guys how it works. Okay, so we're gonna be pouring the water on the floor right here. That's too much. That's not too much water. That is there we go. And now we're just gonna pour some liquid soap on it, right here, like this. And let's let the magic happen. Here we go, Alan, you got it. All right. 1 foot fall. Here we go, Alan, run. This is so cool. Okay, wait, I wanna try it. This is cool. Oh, sorry, they're gonna scream at us. That's actually so cool. So, all you need for this one is some balloons, a bowl, some tape, and a pair of scissors, and a toothpick to poke it when you're done. So, first step, you put the water balloon over the sink, turn it on, and then you let it fill up. All right, so we just got done tying the water balloon together. But basically, what we want to do, you start with this, and there's the last piece of tape. Okay, so after you put the tape on the balloon, you want to angle it to where, when it shoots out, it goes towards the sink. Take a toothpick right here, and then you stab it right in the middle. I hope this works. Oh wait, do you guys see it? It's frozen. Look at this. That's actually crazy. Look, this is frozen. It's like dripping, but then it's frozen right there. Oh my gosh. That's actually crazy. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. That's so cool. Oh my goodness. It's still frozen. It's actually a cool hack that you can try with your TV. All right, so for this hack right here, all you're gonna need is a straw, a TV, and you need to search up on YouTube, Tom and Jerry Invisible Mouse, and we're gonna be showing you guys a really cool illusion trick. Okay, here we go. So you wanna put it to about 11 seconds in, and then you click play, and here we go. And just with a little bit of practice, you can make it perfect like that. Roll the towel up halfway, so let's try that. Do you even know how to roll it? You're folding it, okay? Is that like halfway right here? This is halfway. Halfway. And then you do that. Fold it in half like this. Okay, and then we just place it among, let's try it on this door. Here we go. Put it up here like this. Push it over like that. Right here, right in the middle. There we go. Yeah, you have to wedge it like that. All right. Oh my God. Yeah, try it. Here we go. Oh my gosh, that works. I know. That's cool. That's a home try. Let me try it. That's a home gym. Guys, try this. I can't even do a pull up. One more. What the heck? So I'm just weak. This works. You can't even do it. What the heck? You're making me